So now AVL construction of these two tree we have to do. So these are the given nodes. Let's see. 64 is our root node. 1 is less than 64 here. 14 is less than 64 but it is greater than 1. So here. So you can see this is right then left. So right left we have to do right right first. Right left to right right. Then again we have to do the balancing. So here it will go down 64, 14 here, 1 here. Now we have to do again balancing. So 14 will come to our root, 1 will come down, 64 will be here. So now it is fully balanced. So up till 14 we have done. Now 26. So 14 26 greater than 14 but less than 64. So 26 is here. So here let's see the root, plus 1 and here it is minus 1, plus 1 plus 2 minus 1 is equals to plus 1, which is accepted. So this is AVL, this is balanced. Okay, so now 26 is done. Then 13, oh sorry, not here, 14 is greater than 13, 1 is less than 13, so 13 will be put here. So 1 10, it is greater than everything, just put it here. But it is balanced. See, we have already that made the tree. Now see, root have both equal number of height in left subtree and right subtree. Here also it is same. And now for 1 just minus plus 1 here and nothing. So plus 1 is our value at 1. So it is also accepted. Now let's see 98. 98 is less than 110. So 98 is placed here. Okay, so this is also balanced for this 1 2 3 and this is minus 2. So plus 3 minus 2 is 1. So root is balanced and here it is also balanced because it is plus 2 and minus 1. So plus 1. So it is balanced. Everything is balanced. Now let's see our next 85. 85 is greater than 64, less than 110, less than 98. So see, this is our left dependency. So this is not balanced. We have to make it balanced. Make the take the second node, middle node and move it. So 14, 1, 64 is here, 13 is here, 26 is here. So now 98, 85 and 110. So now let's see if it is balanced. For root 1 2 3 minus 2, so it is balanced, root is balanced. Now let's see 1 2 and this is 1, 2 minus 1 1, so this is balanced. So AVL tree or balanced binary search tree. So now let's see this question. A, D, B, N. So A should be the one, like A is 1. Let's assume like this. A is 1, B is 2, still Z is 26. So like this only. Okay. So now A is our root node. D is greater than A because D comes after A. So D is put here. So now E is A, B, C, D, E. So E is greater than D. So see, this is our basically right dependency. So we move like this, rotate A and E. Now B is less than D but it is greater than A. So B is put here. Let's see, here it has plus minus 2 plus 1, so it is balanced. M is greater than everything, so M, and N comes after N, so N. See, this is not balanced. Okay, so like just by looking you can see, or just see plus 1 plus 1, so E has plus 2, so E is not balanced. We have to make it balanced. So D, A, here it is B, it is M, it is E and N. Now it is balanced. BST. So I just saw a PYQ question also. So it was asking balanced binary search tree or AVL tree takes log n time and a normal BST takes n time. Okay, So this was asked in a GATE question, so I don't remember exactly which year, but it was asked, so just remember this.